Welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through creating an intelligent agent for a student who hasn't passed a quiz. So they haven't met the requirement of the passing grade, and we're going to send out an automated message. So first, make sure that you have your quiz that you want to link it to in D2L, and then you're going to select New Agent. I've already got it set up, so I'll just go through the procedure here with you. Add in your agent name. And if you want to organize them by categories, you can create a category. What I do is I skip over the description area here, and I'm just going to skip over some of this. So my process is I name it, and then I scum all the way down here, and then I'm going to click on release condition. So what I do is I select the condition type and I scroll down to the quiz, and I'm going to select score on a quiz. This is where you're going to link it to that quiz, and then you're going to put in the criteria that you want the system to go and do some checking here. I've already got it created, and I'm going to select receives less than or equal to 50% on this quiz. I have a passing grade, and they must, if they get less than this, then they need to be contacting me. And I want to make sure it has all conditions met. What I do is I take this information here, receives and less than or equal to, and I just copy and I paste that up here into the description area. It just saves me having to type it out. And then I'm going to come in and I'm going to make sure my status is enabled. And then I'm going to want to check it daily. And you can even have it check, every hour, depending on how frequent you want the system to go and check. And I'm going to repeat it every day because it's going to be open for a very short time. I'm going to want the agent to run at a specific time. That means it's going to run at 1, and that's when the students are going to be notified if there's any that haven't passed. And then I'm going to use the start and end date. I find that these are very important because you want to make sure that your end date and your start date are within that quiz timing period. So if my quiz opens today and it's going to end also today, I want to have it also done and finished by the 26th. So it's not going to run and have to check anytime after that. I'm going to go users with specific roles. I'm going to select student, and then I'm going to skip that because we've already added. And now down in the action area. Because this is a quiz, we're going to take action only the first time the agent's criteria are met because they're only doing it once. And then I'm going to check off send an email. In the email area, this is where you're going to use those special email addresses. So just click on here and then you'll see the initiating user within the curly brackets. So all you need to do is copy that and paste that there. That's it. If you want, you can also CC yourself on it, but it's not probably going to be necessary. Your student will get that email, and I've had my email here, so it will reply to me if I get any emails back. Next, I'm going to add in my org unit name, and again, I'm just going to be using the replacement string so that it'll automatically fill in the course name here. And then I'm going to say quiz 2, and I'm going to say results and achievement not met. If you're wondering what replacement strings you can use, just click on that and you'll see them here, and you'll see how I've used them within the body of the message. So here, this is going to be the course name, and here it's going to say hi and it'll greet the student by their first name. And then I just drafted up a body of a message, and that's all I've put in there. And again, I just put the course name here and then just a little message to the student. So take a little bit of time and go through. So if in your quiz 2, you know your student needs to cover certain specific material, you can preset all that material here in the body of the message so that if a student doesn't pass, this is the email that they get and they go, hey, okay, I know I didn't pass. This is where I'm going to go find and needing to review. Is there somebody also that they can talk to? You've got your information here, but is there somebody else that they can go and get some support with? Maybe you can include that as well. And then I'm just going to switch. You can have it in plain text or you can have it in HTML. And she's ready to go. And that's all there is to setting up a achievement not met using an intelligent agent. Thanks for watching.